Hi everyone and good morning. My name is Saeed Shafiei Sabet and today I'm giving my presentation for African Bioacoustics Community Conference with the title The Persian Gulf and Anthropogenic Sound, the Need to Monitor Underwater Soundscape of Aquatic Habitats. I received my PhD at Leiden University in the Netherlands and afterwards I moved to Iran and I'm doing behavioral studies as a postdoc research fellow at University of Gilan. And the main core of my research interests are focused on sound effects on spatial distribution, predator-prey interactions, spatial-specific behavioral responses, and multimodal effects in fish and other aquatic animals. Okay, as we can hear, fish live in an acoustic world, and these sounds are originated from different sources, which construct soundscapes in underwater aquatic habitats. So, categorize sounds briefly. Biophony, sounds produced by aquatic organisms. Geophony, sounds produced by currents, water movements. And anthropophony, sounds produced by human activities. Anthropogenic sound caused by human activities in, on, or near the water. As you can hear, windmills, shipping activities, propellers, and also pile driving, all produce sounds with different temporal, spectral, and spatial patterns. In this graph, we can see on the x-axis frequency range in kilohertz and hearing range of fish, marine mammals, and humans. But of course, we have overlap frequencies in between. Anthropogenic sound may affect aquatic animals in several ways. As we can see here, depending to the sound source, we would have death, physical and physiological effects, impaired hearing, masking effects, and behavioral responses. And now here I would like to draw your attention in the Persian Gulf, in the southern part of the Iran. As you can see here, it is a semi-enclosed sea with an average depth of 35 meters, ranging from 60 meters to about 100 meters at the entrance to the Strait of Hormuz, with a 990-kilometer coastline in the Iranian part. The Persian Gulf is a unique and specific habitat for many species, including marine mammals, invertebrates, and also fish species. However, there is no documentation or studies on the soundscape of this fragile aquatic habitat, but also how anthropogenic noise may affect species among taxa, although there are few cetacean stranding records in the Persian Gulf, but no behavioral studies. Here you can see juvenile humpback whale stranded in 2017, long-beaked common dolphin in 2010, and rhesus dolphin also in 2010. Okay, to take home message, the Persian Gulf is a major waterway for oil and gas transport with high maritime activities. So there are potential impacts of anthropogenic activities on aquatic organisms, and the lack of documented database and necessity of assessment of soundscape in the Persian Gulf. And of course, it is necessary to assess natural ambient sound levels, but also sound generating human activities to characterize soundscape in the Persian Gulf. Studies are needed to investigate the potential impacts of anthropogenic sound on aquatic species among taxa in the Persian Gulf. Thank you. Are there any questions?